What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to get CapCut for PC. Now at first you have to go to this search icon right here, left click on it, then here you will find this search bar and now search for Store. Then here as you can see it will show you Microsoft Store. Open it, then once you open it you have to go to the search bar up right here and search for CapCut. Then click on enter and it will show you CapCut right here, so click on it. And after clicking on it, here you will find an option that says install or get. So click on it and it will take a couple of minutes. It's not that big application. It's about 572 megabytes and it's also free. It has a paid plan, but you can access to many features in the free one. And if you are a beginner, you don't have to pay for a paid plan. And now once it's finished, it will show you that the application is installed. And now what you should do is to go to your Windows icon right here and here you will see it in the recently added programs. Or if you cannot find it, you can go to the search bar and search for CapCut. Then tap on it, just one click, and it will open with you. It will just do like a testing to your PC to see if it's going to work properly and smoothly on your PC or not. As you can see, it will show this message. Just click on confirm. And now you can create a project. You can also sign in using an email. And actually, this is one of the best editing programs that you can use if you are a beginner or even if you are a professional video editor. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.